it's never kind of it's never the same thing twice. My name is John Molen, and I work at Trailerborg as a technical director. And basically, my job entails working directly with production and implementing new products into the production environment to basically take the idea from the customer, get it into a product that we can run here, and then helping to get that product into the production group and through production into a final saleable product. I think Trailerborg's success depends now on the ability to actually be able to provide a lot of different coated fabric. Predominantly, we do use polyurethane polymer, and it's a very versatile material. It's very good for giving a certain feel, so it has a nice texture to it. A lot of times it also is very good for people post-process to be able to handle, and they were able to weld it, and it's a good 100% solid adhesive. Essentially now, Trailerborg encompasses not just polyurethane, but rubber coated, and has pretty much a solution capability to handle if somebody's looking for a coated fabric. We're able to kind of ascertain what they want and then steer them in the right direction. For instance, somebody who's making a hospital mattress will have certain requirements as far as for comfort. They might have requirements for stretch. They might have requirements for breathability. And it's our job and my job, my department's job, to go back and basically take that idea and translate it. What I enjoy most about my job is basically not having the same problem every day and not having the same opportunity every day. And the enjoyment of it comes from the challenge of having to work through with production, helping them to run materials that we're trying to run, work with customers to be able to help them address the challenges of the things they're trying to make, and in the end, try to get all that together harmoniously to be able to provide a need for the customer so they buy the product.